Okay, so as I was explaining, so you can get this value for this, okay, 9 over 11. So this is in radian. Now you got to convert this into a degree, then you need to multiply this, and then you need to multiply the reciprocal when you is if you do it on the other way around, okay? Well, anyways, you get a radian is 9 over 11, right? Then S2 here, how do you get S2? S2 is arc, therefore arc times theta. Theta is 9 over 11, therefore it is just 36. S2 is 36. Therefore, theta here is 9 over 11, and then S2 is 36 centimeters long. So now it's 8 kilometers and 36. Therefore, easily, um, you know that S1, S1 is R1 times theta, right? Therefore, we know that our theta over here is going to be 36 over 8 is going to be our theta, right? Therefore, if you simplify this, then you get um, uh, divide both denominator and numerator by 4, then you have 9 over 2. 9 over 2 is our theta. 4, 2, right? So 36 and 9 over 2. Therefore, 9 over 2 is our theta. And then S1, S1 is the, yes, kilometers. That is correct. And 9 over 2 is going to be the, what is that? The, the, the central angle, 9 over 2. So if you want to convert this into degrees, then you also want to multiply 180 degrees over pi. You get it? 4, 9, 4, 2. But it's a bit weird because this is 4.5. This is 4.5, and then you cannot have that here because 9 over 2. I think this problem is wrong because what's going on here is that, so let me explain why this doesn't work. So the very important formula that you need to know is arc is r times theta, but theta has to be in radian, right? Arc here is 36 kilometers, right? And then r1, the radius is 8 kilometers long. Then theta, we don't know the theta yet. So theta we gotta simplify 36 over 8. Therefore we can divide 8 by 4, then it's going to be 2. And then 36 by 4, then you get 9. It's 9 over 2, right? 9 over 2 times 180 degrees over pi, because we are converting radian. This is radian into the degrees. We need to do this, right? Then um, this is about uh, okay. So I need to calculate. I have to pull up my calculator. Um, so 9 over 2 times 180, right? Divided by 3.14. 257. Ah, okay. So still, it's less than 360. Therefore, it still works. Okay. So in degrees, this is 257. Therefore, it still works. Okay. But if it gets more than 360, then it should not work. Okay, it should not work. But it does work this time. Therefore, yeah, I stand corrected. This problem is not wrong. So now we need to get this R2 here, right? Then S2 is 72, S2 is R2 times theta. But theta, we are going to use the same theta there. Theta is 9 over 2. And R2 here, we do not know R2. And then we know S2 is 72. Therefore, R2 is 8 and no, R2 is 16. So this is 16 kilometers long. Okay. Oh, and here I think this is pi over 180. I'm sorry, pi over 180. So converting degrees into radian, radian into degree. If you want a better explanation than this, I think I could do better. But if you want a better explanation, I have a YouTube video explaining this. And then I made it for you last time, so you can simply look that up. Okay. So now let's do 35. So to the nearest inch, find the perimeter of a 10-degree sector. So 10-degree sector cut is this. 10-degree sector cut is this. 10 degree. So this is 10 degrees, right? And then a circular disc of radius 11 inches. So this is 11 inches, right? And then you need to know the perimeter of it. Then all you need to know, this is 11. Then all you need to know is this arc. Let's say this is A, right? Then A is r times theta. Therefore, r is 11 and theta is 10 degrees, but you cannot really write 10 degrees down because you cannot multiply degrees with a real number, so therefore you need to convert this into radian. So 10 degrees, right? How do you convert this into radians? First, you can simply multiply this by pi over 180. Then you get pi over 18, right? If you do not want to memorize this, then all you can do is this. 360 degrees is 2 pi, right? Then you want to know 10 degrees, right? Then you just need to divide this by 36 and divide this by 36. Therefore, it's pi over 18, right? So this is pi over 18. Oh, yeah, pi over 18. Sorry, I think I miswrote this. So this is just pi over 18. So this is 11 pi over 18, right? Therefore, A is 11 pi over 18. Now we can calculate. So 22 is the sum of this, and the perimeter is 22 plus 11 pi over 18. And 11 pi, and I need calculator one more time. Calculator. So 11 times pi divided by 18. Oh, divided by 18, then you get 1.919, no, 1.919, right? So 22 plus 1.919, therefore is 23.919. So it's approximately 24 inches. Okay, so this is it. So be aware that I keep using this formula here, which is r times theta, right? And then the radian conversion here as well. Okay, now I will erase all this. Right? Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Deleting it, and then here, and also 36. You have 100 degree arc of a circle has a length of 7 centimeters long. To the nearest centimeter, what is the radius of the circle? So 10-degree arc, what this simply means is that this is a 10-degree sector, right? Then no, 100-degree sector, right? 100 degree is about, so 90 degree, 100 degree is about this. So this is 100 degrees. And then you know that the arc is 7. Therefore, again, arc is r times theta. Therefore, 7 is r times theta. We do not know. We do know. Theta is 100 degrees. So 100 degrees. And if you want to convert this into radian, then what do we need to do? We need to multiply this by pi over 180. Or if you do not want to do that, then 360 degrees is 2 pi, right? If you just remember this, then you can simply convert this. So now we want to get 100 degrees. So first we divide this by 36, right? And then times 10, right? Then we get 100 here, right? Then, well, anyways, you get 10 over 18 pi, which is just 5 over 9